Hey guys, my name is George. I'm going to go over this simple budget spreadsheet that can help you organize your personal finances. You can track multiple accounts such as checking accounts and credit cards. Let's take a look at this checking account. And here is where you enter your transactions, or you can copy them in by downloading a CSV file from your bank account to save time. You can split transactions into multiple categories to better reflect your income and expenses. And there's some great tools to help make reconciliation quick and easy. And you can also filter your transactions and get subtotals of those filtered items. You can create your own custom category list and set a budget for each of those categories so that you don't overspend. And once you enter your data into the registers, the amazing reports are automatically created for you. See your income and expenses in a visual way, making them easy to understand. Compare actual to budget. It lets you visualize any category so that you stay within your budget. And compare this year to last year to see how your data or any category is trending over time. And view additional budgeting reports that can help you reach your budget goals. Need customized reports? Just head over to the pivot table reports. And here you can track your income and expenses and change the report type and layout to meet your specific financial needs. And drill down into your expenses, such as groceries, to see exactly where you're spending your money. Collapse time periods so that you can see yearly totals side by side, or expand them so that you can see the individual months. Use the slicers to focus in on specific accounts or all accounts. And use the timeline to quickly and easily focus in on certain time ranges. Easily add custom charts to your pivot table, allowing you to visualize your income and spending, whether it be for a single account or all accounts, and also different time periods. Track your net worth and visualize your account balances over time. Use the slicers to focus in on a single account type, such as your assets, or groups of accounts, such as comparing your home value to your home loan. Customize the look of the net worth chart to visualize your data in a whole new way, and easily drill down to specific account types and accounts. And head over to the master register, where all transactions from all accounts are automatically entered for you in one master register, allowing you to easily find any transaction from any account in this one register. And you can filter the transactions based on the data in any column and get subtotals of those transactions. Check out more great features of George's Budget for Excel version 18 by clicking the link in the description or by visiting my website. And please remember to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great videos.